Hello everyone, my name is Subhasri and I am going to give you a model by using seismic loads and running analysis by using response spectrum and time history analysis. So for that, first you have to unlock the model and go to load patterns and select all the seismic loading coefficients and values as per IS code. As we know, the seismic directions are in x and y directions. So you have to select x and y directions and click on OK and again click on OK. Now we need not to run or apply any seismic waves. Now we have to run analysis. Go to run analysis. So after run analysis, you can see this displacement values. And after running the analysis, you can see the displacement values on 3D view tab. And after analysis, you have to go to design and click on concrete frames and select view refresh and start design check process. After designing the process, you can see the report of your model or structure. So you can see the reinforcement values on the 3D view tab. So next, after seeing all those, go to design and click on verify all members passed. You can see all concrete frames have been passed. So now we are using seismic analysis loads through response spectrum. First we have to check whether the seismic load is added or not. After checking that, go to define, click on functions, click on response spectrum and choose function type as IS 1893-2002. Next, add new function. Now name the function as response spectrum. Seismic zone as zone 2 and response reduction factor as 3 as it is a residential building. So click on OK. Again click on OK. As you can see, response spectrum is added. Now go to define, click on load patterns. Go to define and click on load cases. As there is no need of wind load, so you have to delete it because only 4 number of loads can be added in this. So add new load case. Now select the load case name as response spectrum. Select case type as response spectrum. Now add load and go to loads type and add one. For the function, select as response spectrum and change the scale factor to 1633.5 as we can do that from a formula I into 2G by 3R. Now add another one, set as same and change the scale factor to same as you done before. Now click on OK. response spectrum load case is added. Click on OK. We need not to apply all these to the building as it can apply itself. So now run analysis. Go to set load cases, and we need not to run a dead and live load for this. We have to run only seismic and response spectrum. So select dead and live, click to run or do not run case here, and select run now. After analysis, it shows the deflection in the 3D view tab. So now go to design process, click on concrete frame design and check whether the IS code is selected or not. And next click on start design check. After design process, you came to know that the reinforcement values has been displayed in the 3D view tab. Now select verify all members passed. You have a notification that all members are passed. Now go to reports and double click on summary report. You can see your report, final project report on the plan view tab. It may take some time, please wait. So you can see that in the plan view the report has been displayed. Now we have to do run analysis of seismic waves through time history analysis. Go to define, select load patterns and add new load. Before adding new load, we have to select only x direction the seismic load, as in time history analysis seismic loads can be on the only x directions. So next go to define and select time history analysis and function type as form file and click on add new file. Now for the file name, go to browse as you downloaded it before. Open the tab. And next for header lines to skip, go to view file. In the view file you can see 9 header lines are present. So replace the number from 2 to 9 and select the number of points per line as 1. Characters per item as 10 and format type is fixed format, and change the time history function name as time history. Click on OK. Again click on OK. Go to define, add load cases. So now we have to add new case. As there is a limit of 4, that's why there is no need of response spectrum, so delete that response spectrum load case. Now add new case, load case name as time history analysis, load case type as time history, and add new load as acceleration and function to time history. Scale factor is 1633.3 and click on OK. Click on OK. We need not to apply these loads as the loads itself apply to the structure. So click on analysis, run to set load case, and there is no need of run analysis to dead and live, so you can select them as do not run and you can run analysis. After running of analysis, you can see the displacement on the 3D view tab. Now go to design, concrete frame design, view revise and select the code and click on OK. Go to design and click on start design check, as it may take some time. You can see the reinforcement values on the 3D view. And go to concrete frame design. This is a time history plot graph you can see on the left tab, and go to design and click on concrete frame design and select verify all members are passed. And next you can see the summary report as you have done, and the displacement values and tables can be displayed on the left pane as you see. Thank you.